Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about getting into kayaking and want something stable, easy to handle, and great for learning, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best kayaks for beginners, selected for their stability, comfort, build quality, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Intex Excursion Pro K2. First up is the Intex Excursion Pro K2. This is a solid 2-person inflatable if you want something durable that'll survive actual use. The material is legit thick with that 3-ply laminate and super strong PVC that resists getting punctured or torn up by rocks and sun exposure. At 12.7 feet long and 3.1 feet wide, it's roomy enough for 2 people without feeling cramped. And you can also paddle solo if you want flexibility. The high-pressure design keeps it rigid so it doesn't feel like you're sitting in a marshy blob. Spring-loaded valves inflate and deflate fast, which beats hand pumping forever when you're trying to get on the water. 2 removable skegs help keep the kayak tracking straight in both shallow and deep water, so paddling isn't exhausting constant correction. Storage is actually thought out, with space in the bow and stern for dry bags and gear. Number 2. Advanced Elements Convertible. Coming up next is the Advanced Elements Convertible. This one's more premium, and you can tell. The wide beam design keeps it super stable, even when water's getting choppy, which matters when you're nervous about tipping over. The multi-layer construction with internal aluminum ribs makes it really durable and resistant to punctures or getting scraped up. Weight capacity is 550 pounds, which means 2 people can paddle without worry. The seating is actually comfortable with decent legroom, so your legs aren't cramping up after a couple hours. Tracking is improved with a removable skeg, so steering isn't exhausting. The removable skeg actually makes a difference in how the kayak handles different water conditions. Packs into a duffel bag for traveling, which is convenient if you're road tripping with it. Lightweight but feels sturdy when you're in it. Solid middle ground between budget options and high-end kayaks. You get quality without destroying your wallet. Number 3. Intex Excursion Pro K1. Third on our list is the Intex Excursion Pro K1. This is the solo version if you don't need a second seat. Same tough construction as the K2, with 3-ply laminate and super strong PVC, so it handles rocks and sun. 10 feet long and 3 feet wide is solid for 1 person without feeling cramped. Weight capacity is 220 pounds, which covers most people. High-pressure design stays rigid and responsive, so paddling feels controlled. Spring-loaded valves make setup and breakdown easy. 2 removable skegs keep it tracking straight, which takes effort out of paddling. Storage in the bow and stern for gear or dry bags. Stainless steel D-rings for attaching stuff. Folds into a carry bag so transport is simple. Basically, a single-person version of the K2, same durability and practical design, but sized for 1 paddler. Good for lakes, mild rivers, calm coastal waters. Number 4. Sea Eagle 380X Explorer. Fourth on the list is the Sea Eagle 380X Explorer. This one's legitimately versatile because it handles Class 4 whitewater, but also works great on flat water. That's basically unheard of in beginner kayaks, but the high-pressure DS floor keeps it rigid and responsive even when you're paddling hard or dealing with choppy conditions. The floor drains mean water goes in and out instead of pooling inside, so you're not sitting in a wet kayak all day. Removable slide skeg helps tracking. 3-person capacity with 750 pounds means you can take friends or family along. Durable enough for fishing trips, camping, touring, whatever you throw at it. Inflates and deflates quickly, so setup isn't a pain. Lightweight despite the strength, which is impressive. Basically a kayak that grows with you. Start calm and move to more adventurous water as you get comfortable. Number 5. Intex Explorer K2. Rounding out our list is the Intex Explorer K2. This is the budget-friendly tandem option if you want something fun and portable without spending tons. 10.3 feet long, 3 feet wide,
fits 2 people comfortably at 400 pounds capacity. The rigid I-beam floor and high buoyancy chambers keep it stable, which matters when you're learning. Low-profile deck and removable skeg help with directional control, so paddling doesn't require constant correction. Boston valves inflate and deflate in minutes. Both paddles and pump come included, plus repair patches, so you've literally got everything to get started immediately. 2 inflatable seats with backrests provide reasonable comfort for recreational paddling. Heavy-duty grab handles and lines add safety. Bright yellow makes you visible on water. Comes with 2 86-inch paddles, which saves you buying separate ones. The whole package is beginner-friendly and affordable. No complicated setup or expensive extras needed.
And that wraps up the top 5 best kayaks for beginners. Which kayak would you take out on the water first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.